Hello there. What's up? I know what are you searching for. It's how to make $1,000 fast. Can I make money online? Making money online may be impossible for some people, but not for you. Through this article you will learn how to do it fast and easy. So be ready with your bank account, because you will earn a lot of money if you follow these tips. The first thing that you should do is to increase your website traffic, because you will have more chances of sales or AdSense clicks, being visited by more people and more chances to earn money online. For this you should make as many traffic exchanges as you can, since this will allow you to obtain more visits from other websites. One important thing is to know the type of website traffic you have in order to decide what kind of tools you may offer to those visitors. Other way to increase website traffic to make money online consists in the promotion of a newsletter sign-up page, which you should send later a serial of automated emails promoting your product or affiliate products. The second thing that you can do to earn money online is to carry out SEO or search engine optimization. A key term used in the web today. This system will allow you to obtain more qualified visitors to your own site when you get a better ranking on the net while they look for something just surfing on the bigger search engines. Through better positions of your own website in the search engines, like MSN, Yahoo or Google, you may also make more money online selling and promoting any product you want to launch to the market. The important thing for this is to have current and good content on your website. Write your own articles and publish them in different articles directories like this one you are reading right now. To earn money online, the third thing that you can do is to start a newsletter or a zine. It does not matter if your website is large or small, just post the code for newsletters that different websites have onto your own website. For example, Google offers free mailing groups, an autoresponder system used to submit a newsletter to your subscription list. There are various free scripts that carry out this function. In other words, through this way you will allow people to subscribe for your newsletter or zine with the latest news you will have about your products and promotions. A free gift might be absolutely necessary in order to motivate your visitor to give you his/her name and email address. I guess you now understand how to make $1,000 fast, and how you can make money online. Click the link in description to get the best strategy to make money online. Click the link in description to get the best strategy to make money online.